What's going on, guys? So today I had a issue with high discharge temperature on an ammonia screw compressor. Here I'm just trying to go through my checklist. I'm checking the set points, making sure that the compressor has enough oil, which it does here. And then this is on a thermal siphon. So I'm just going through the sight glasses, making sure that we do have ammonia liquid present. Next is just checking to make sure all the proper valves are opened on the ammonia cooling system or on the oil cooling system, just going through the basic checklist. The next step was getting the thermal gun and checking to see how close of a temperature it was to the sensor on the compressor. I'm also wanting to check temperature on the oil leaving the oil separator on the screw compressor, and then I'm checking the oil temperature throughout the system. So I'm checking the oil temperature that's leaving the oil separator, and then I'm going to check temperature before and after the oil cooling valve to make sure that it's operating properly, which in this case it was. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we're getting cooling of about 30 degrees. Then finally just opening up the sensor and checking out, seeing if there's any loose wires. Maybe we're getting a missed reading somewhere. What I also did was there's a compressor right next to it, and I did temperature readings on that one with the thermal gun as well. And all signs pointed to a faulty sensor. So I took the sensor out and then I recalibrated the sensor, put it back in, and the compressor is now working fine. By the way, if you're interested in learning more about industrial refrigeration, I have a mini course available. The link is in my bio.